Aloha and welcome to the Maverick Tiki Bar here at ISE 2020. Here at the Maverick Tiki Bar we have a lift and learn area. This is part of our retail experience. So in a retail environment you want to learn about new products. We can very simply lift the product we're interested in and the content is then changed on the screen relevant to the product that you actually lifted and want to look at more. I want to bring your attention in this particular video to the new Lenovo ThinkSmart. This is a new product category onto the market. It's a productivity assistant that allows you to work productively on your normal device, your normal monitor, but also use that as a Teams video meeting assistant. So your Teams meeting can go on while you're as productive as ever on your normal desktop device. So a really new product to our market, and we're delighted to have that as part of the Maverick portfolio. So for more information, please visit www.tdmaverick.eu.